Hey, what's up guys? I am Master Shagabadista from msbdigital.com. Today I am getting ready to show you how you can make low content book just like this that have absolutely nothing in them but blank pages. And you will able to make these journals in less than 10 minutes and can sell them in Amazon. If you do this work with proper research, then you can easily make $500, $1,000 or even $3,000 every month. Possibility is limitless. And the best part is anyone can do this from anywhere from the world. Now, without any further delay, let's jump into the computer screen. Let's see how easily we can create low content book and can sell them on Amazon. You don't need any previous experience to do this work. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe this channel to watch more upcoming videos like this one. Now, without any further delay, let's jump into the computer screen. To inspire you more, I want to share a author profile to you. Her name is Kelia. Basically, he is selling notebook and journal on Amazon. Just check this out. Every single notebook has hundreds and thousands of reviews. If I open some of his notebooks and journals, then check this out. Check this notebook. If I scroll down, this book has a beautiful cover photo, some blank pages with some text sometimes, and that's it. For the next one, some blank pages with some notes. Actually, this type of notebook has different categories, different niche-based notebooks. Basically, she is making around $4,000 to $5,000 by selling these simple blank books or notebooks. And easily you can make them using an online tool. And in this video, we will cover everything of it. Before designing and publishing notebook, actually, at first we need to figure out which notebooks are selling really well in Amazon. In Amazon, if we search for notebook for student, here you can see a bunch of different blank books, or you can say notebook, which has good amount of reviews. But actually, we don't copy high reviews notebook at all. At first, we need to figure out less competitive keyword with higher revenue possibility. After doing our keyword research or topic research, after that we will start designing our notebook. To do our research work and notebook design, we will use an online tool which is called BookBolt. Just type msbdigital.com/BookBolt, then hit enter. And yes, now we are in BookBolt official site. This is a premium tool. If I go to their pricing plan, then here I can see two different plans are available, newbie and pro. You can purchase their subscription monthly or yearly. And the good news is, if you use coupon MSB20, then you will get 20% lifetime discount. This is a special coupon code for my YouTube viewers. I already have an account there, so I just simply logged in. Now in the home page of our dashboard, here you can see some tutorials about BookBolt. And now to start researching, from the left, I just simply click on cloud. And from the search by bestsellers, I choose top 500, and from category, I just simply choose notebook. You may select journal, calendar or planner. It is totally up to you. In BSR range, I choose from 1 to 500,000, and price range, I choose 0 to 100. Now I just simply click on search. And here you can see top 500 bestseller notebooks on Amazon. In each of these books, we can see reviews, BSR rank, and estimated monthly sales. Now I just simply scroll down to see some of the bestseller books to get an idea. And after doing some research, I decide I will design a notebook with this topic. Estimated price $7 and monthly sales is 200 plus, which is pretty solid. But before start designing notebook, actually we need to do proper keyword research. To do this from the left, I just simply select keywords and click on search. And in search box, I just simply type for Great Composition Notebook. On the left here you can see Amazon most trending keywords, top 10, and on the right here you can see the Google most trending keywords. From the drop down I just simply select 100 to see 100 top keywords. And from this keyword list, actually we need to select a keyword which has higher search volume with low competition. I just pick this one, 2 primary composition notebooks. I want to design black type of notebook, that's why I put black in the search box. And look at this, here you can see black type of notebook. For this particular keyword in Amazon it has 4000 results, which is pretty low. If you select a keyword with below 5000 results, you may select that keyword to work with. Now we work with this keyword, primary composition notebook black, and we will start designing our notebook using BookBolt. That's why from research I just simply click on create and create BookBolt Studio. Now we need to create a new project. From this project type I just simply select paperback, cover and interior, and project name I type primary composition notebook, and from trim size bunch of different sizes are available. My competitors are using 8.5 into 11 inch, that's why I just pick this one. Interior and paper type. To minimize the cost I choose black and white interior with white paper. Bleed option I just selected it, and page count, how many pages actually we want in our notebook, I just put 100. Now I click on create project, and yes, now we are in BookBolt Studio. In this area actually we need to fit our notebook cover. On the left there will be a back part of our notebook, and on the right there will be a front part of our notebook cover. Now from the transparency I just click on this option hide cover template to remove this default template. On the left here you can see a bunch of different tools. Using these tools easily you can design your preferred notebook cover. You can search images from Pixabay, Unsplash. You can use this search box. Just type your keyword. I just simply type for black wallpaper, and here you can see a bunch of different wallpapers are available. I just click on this black background, and here you go. I just scratch it like this. Now over this background actually I want to add some texture, that's why from the left I choose the option texture. Different textures are available. If I click on this, then look at this, here you can see a texture is just added, and we can change the opacity of it. And this one is very interesting, this texture. I just set it right here. And in the shape here you can see a bunch of different shapes are available. At this moment I just choose a shape, rectangular shape. Now I resize it like this and change the border radius, and I set it at 0.5. Alright, and fill color I just select white color, and stroke I just add black color stroke. Okay. Now inside in rectangle I want to add some text. Now from the left I just simply click on text tool and click on add heading. Now in the heading I just simply type primary composition and decrease this text size a little bit and move it right here. And from this drop down I just simply choose Acme, this font style. Alright, now I just simply add another heading, and this time I type notebook. I choose the same font style Acme. Now I set it right here. Actually using these tools creativity is limitless. You can design any type of notebook cover using these tools. Not only that, you can also upload custom made design. You may use Canva or Photoshop just use upload option and upload your design. Now let me show you how manually you can do this. Using Canva, I have designed this notebook, and to export this one, I just simply click on share and hit on download. Alright, we just successfully download our design, extract it, and this is the front part of our notebook and this is the back part. Alright, now before uploading this custom-made design, at first I just select all of these elements and delete it. Now using my upload image, I just select the front part and select this one and place it right here. And again I just upload the back part of our notebook cover and select this one. And I move it right here. Alright. Now on the right, here we can see a texture is available. We previously added this one. Now to remove this texture, I just click on 3 dot and hit on delete to delete this texture. And from paper color, I just simply choose the black one. So we are done with notebook cover. Now inside, in 100 pages, we will add some lines. To do this, I just click on page templates. Under interior templates, I just click on notebook hashtag. Here you can see a bunch of different templates are available. From here, I just simply select ruled, this category. And now I choose college ruled. And now I click on select all to select all of these pages, and I deselect my cover photo page. Now I click on continue to option, and you can change your line color, line width and between lines values. So I just keep it as it is, and now I click on submit. Now wait for a moment, and yes, we are done. Inside all of our pages, we just successfully add lines in our blank book. So our blank notebook creation is done. Now to download this book, I just click on download and click download current project CMYK. Now wait for a moment. And yes, we just successfully downloaded our blank notebook. Now I extract this. And here you can see a few different files, and if I double click on this interior PDF, this is the interior, and paperback cover is our notebook cover. Alright, and yes, now we are pretty much ready to submit our notebook on Amazon KDP. But before that, I want to say something to you. From templates, if I select Pro only, then here you can see some templates: crossword, Sudoku, order search, this type of templates. This type of blank book has low competition in Amazon. If you want to use these templates, then you must purchase Pro plan of BookBolt. And the good news is, if you use coupon MSB20, then you will get 20% additional discount on any plan. Now to publish notebook on Amazon, in Google, search for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or just visit kdp.amazon.com. If you are new in this platform, then sign up for free with your legal information. I already have an account there, so I just simply click on sign in. After login, click on create and select create paperback. And choose language English, and book title I typed primary composition notebook handwriting practice paper for kids. Now subtitle, this is optional, but this time I put ABC handwriting practice for kids. Actually I found this subtitle, or you may say keyword, by doing keyword research on BookBolt. If I navigate to the BookBolt, then look at this. ABC handwriting practice for kids. It has 4000 plus search volume, Amazon search volume. That's why I put it right here. And next author, I just put my first name and last name, and in description I will write a description about my notebook, and of course I will optimize this with keyword. And I easily created this with ChatGPT this time. Now from publishing rights, I just pick the first one. I own the copyright and I hold necessary publishing rights. Sexually explicit images or title no. Categories. From this drop down, I just select education and teaching. Subcategory, I just pick this one, study and workbooks. And I select study workbooks and study guides and general. Alright, I just pick these three categories and tick this option, low content book. And keywords. This section is important. Here we will put some keywords which has high search volume in Amazon. Now to find those profitable keywords, of course I will take help from BookBolt keyword research tool. To pick those keywords, of course, I take help from BookBolt. From this drop down, I pick some keywords which has high search volume. And of course, these keywords should be related with the notebook. Now I click on save and continue. ISBN, choose publish without an ISBN, print option. Select black and white interior with white paper, trim size. My trim size is different, that's why from custom trim size I just put the width and height with my interior based on my interior. Now select bleed settings according with your blank book, and from manuscript I just click on upload manuscript, and this time I have selected the interior of my blank book and book cover. I just simply upload the book cover as well. AI generated content. It is not, that's why I have selected no. And now I click on launch previewer. And here you go. This is our book cover and this is our interior of our blank book. So everything is fine. That's why I'm going to approve this. I just simply click on this approve button. And in summary, here you can see the printing cost 2.84 USD. Now I click on save and continue. Territories. I choose all territories. Primary marketplace Amazon.com. And pricing, royalties and distribution. Here we need to enter list price. In which price actually we want to sell in Amazon. If I put the price 5.99, then for every sale our royalty will be 0.75, which is not bad. For new notebook publishing, you may select this price. But when you collect some reviews in your notebook, then you may increase that price after that to generate more revenue. But for this new blank book, I just simply put the value 5.99 because initially I want more sales to get good rank on Amazon. Now I hit on publish book and Amazon will review our submission in between 72 hours, and if everything is okay, then this notebook will go live in Amazon and anyone can purchase from anywhere in the world. So basically this is the full process. If you are interested to generate passive income every single month from Amazon KDP, then I recommend you to use BookBolt for blank book research and keyword research. And after that, just submit your notebook, blank book or journal regularly in Amazon. I am wishing you all the very best for your passive income journey. Good luck and goodbye.